Something coming up this Thursday, which I want to share with you. You may remember last year we hosted an inaugural Mayor's Cup golf tournament, and we raised about $55,000 after expenses at that tournament. And this Thursday, we're going to be going over to the Colorado Springs Conservatory on south side of downtown at 3 o'clock p.m. I hope some of you can join us to distribute the funds from that effort. And we're going to do several different things with the money we raised. First of all, we're going to be contributing $10,000 to the Colorado Springs Conservatory. This is money that was raised from individuals who played in the tournament. There are no tax dollars involved here, no public money involved. The Bravo Hotel comped golf tournament. We had sponsors who paid for the food and beverages and the door prizes, and then the players themselves played for a fee. So we raised a pretty good amount of money, and we're going to contribute $10,000 to the Colorado Springs Conservatory on Thursday. You know, it was founded in 1994 and serves students within a 100-mile radius. The conservatory is a positive environment that supports community development and mentorship and combats negative influences in society. This donation will help them become a permanent part of the downtown Colorado Springs, downtown South Acre, and so we're happy to be doing that. We're also going to be contributing $5,000 to Leadership Pikes Peak, who will be there on Thursday. That organization was founded in 1976 and is known as the premier community leadership organization in the Pikes Peak region. They've graduated over 1,500 local leaders. The reason we're contributing to that organization is they're going to help fund, this will help fund a new program which they are calling the Leading Edge. And that means they're going to be working with teenagers still in school in K through 12 in an interactive community leadership program to develop teen leaders, which we hope will then become adult leaders, which will become our future leadership in this community. There might be a future mayor in that group, I hope. So we're looking forward to that. And then we're also contributing $5,000 to Colorado Springs Together, the group that Bob Cutter organized after the Wallow Canyon fire, and for the purpose of helping to produce an effective documentation piece of all things relating to the Wallow Canyon fire. And lastly, we're going to be contributing, or setting aside, $24,000, which will go towards scholarships for 4 local students. $24,000. This donation will fund a 2-year tuition-only scholarship to Pikes Peak Community College. So this will enable 4 students to have a full ride on tuition for 2 years to obtain their associate degree. We're hoping that they will choose to take courses in public safety so that they can then become qualified to apply in our police and fire departments, so we can begin to grow our future public safety leadership in that way. Or hopefully they'll take some public policy classes, and perhaps one day one of those will become a chief of staff, perhaps. So the students will be selected at the end of this school year, and Donna Nelson, who heads up our Spirit of the Springs initiative, will publicize the process that we will follow here in the spring. And then lastly, our next Mayor's Cup golf tournament is on Thursday, May 23rd. I hope some of you will sign up for that. It'll be a fun time. And you'll see all that information on our website, boxoffice.com. Well, those are my comments. I'd be glad to take questions or comments.